Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings like this here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will write the name of this application of Telegram and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.